I'm gonna just slowly film like a nighttime routine thing.
Go for it. I feel like I haven't really talked to you guys in a bit because today was a really intense working day, which was good. Me and Olivia shot a lot of content, and as you guys probably saw, we went to Versailles and we also went back to the Eiffel Tower to shoot by like this houses. It's a beautiful neighborhood, and I'm just like unpacking. We did some laundry now, so we got fresh underwear and socks, but like, man, this trip has been so fun, and there's still more. We still have a few more days to go, but I just wanted to like check in. There's so much to experience and to do that it's hard to just like, you know, pick up the camera and talk all the time. I also got some berets earlier today at the market. Cool thing about our Airbnb is that it's so central, and there was like this cute little market that opens 3 times a week right by the metro. So me and Olivia got some berets. I'll probably do like a haul sharing my stuff, but now we're back and we're just getting some downtime, which is good. I kind of been feeling a little sick, but I think I'm just gonna have a quiet night in. And also Katya is currently in Amsterdam. She is leaving tonight though, but she was there all day yesterday because she wanted to stay back and just kind of like explore and venture out on her own, which is really cool. I wish I joined her, but like I really still wanted to check out the rest of Paris, so yeah. Sunday today, and it's getting pretty cold every day. I feel like we're all kind of coming down with something, just a tad bit, because we all sort of feel like we have a bit of a cold from just like constantly walking all day and also being outside. And so today we thought we would just go to the Louvre, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I'm here at the Louvre, and we're on our way to see Mona Lisa. Whoa, what the heck?
Où fait-il bon, même au cœur de l'orage? Où fait-il clair, même au cœur de la nuit? L'air est alcool et le malheur courage. Carreau cassé, l'espoir encore et lui.
Wow. So I made it out to the outside of the Louvre. It's so pretty. This is the little triangle behind me. Oh, such a nice day.
I have a feeling, it's a feeling, it's a feeling. I don't know why, I don't know why, I don't know why. But I adore you. But I don't know.
What the heck? This is an ad on YouTube. Mick Choco Nuts? What the heck? Oh my gosh.
Call
see.
Alright, good morning. Today is our second last day. I have a little bit of a cold, so please bear with me.
We're at this cute little cafe called, what is it called? pt.2, I think. Déjeuner. And then we're gonna just go to Montmartre a little bit later today. Just gotta have like a slow, chill day, because I feel like I am coming down with a bit of a cold, just because every day has been super like intense and it's pretty cold outside as well. Shooting. We had an intense shoot at Tina Bear's, and now we're heading to our final stop to Pink Mama, and again because we love it, and we're gonna shoot a photo for Katya one last time, and then we're all gonna be headed home, which is kind of sad because we only have a few more hours here, so it's like a bittersweet moment. And it's funny because like today it's actually really nice outside, and the air is it's nice and warm. It's not windy like the other past few days, so I'm kind of bummed. We're stuck in an airport. What are we gonna do? Oh my gosh, there's so much to like update you on, because I was going to just end off the vlog in a very artsy way, but then I wanted to also give the reality of when shit happens, and essentially it's like 2 a.m. now. Me and Olivia are at the airport. I lost my phone. No, I didn't lose my phone. Somebody took my phone out of my pocket. Another thing that happened is because of that we were a bit late, but we were 30 minutes to our flight, 30 minutes like earlier to our flights, and we couldn't get in, so we had to book another flight. So right now we're just in the airport just chilling, but and Olivia's just dancing because she's making a dance video. And I'm just kind of feeling, I'm just all over the place right now just because I'm tired, we haven't eaten, and we're gonna stay in the airport because everything else is closed. And apparently, and they're doing construction. So you have that. I look a little messy right now because I was crying because my phone was lost, and I was just, a part of me was really like upset because I came here to film content, and I have video, I have my camera, but I don't have my phone, and I filmed so much like photos, and I don't know, it's just like a nice inspiring trip that I wanted to keep the photos there. And I think I got so upset, and also I didn't back up my photos, so I'm gonna see when I get back to see if I could retrieve those photos, which I'm sure I can. I'm gonna end off here. I will check in with you guys when I'm in Toronto with a new phone, with everything figured out. I hope you enjoy this vlog and this whole Paris trip. I will check in with you guys when I'm back in Toronto. Hello. Hello from the future. No, hello from the present. I thought I just quickly make this video because I ended off saying that I was gonna be back in Toronto. And back in Toronto I was, but then the whole lockdown happened, and then I didn't really edit the video because I don't know, I just felt like it was such a weird timing to upload travel content when there was a whole lockdown happening. Just so much stuff has happened. Here we are now in July. This is the present. Currently editing Anna, talking. A lot has definitely changed, which I'll probably do like an update on, but yeah, I'm no longer in Toronto. I've moved back home. It's just kind of crazy and surreal to sort of like look back at that footage and I don't know, just to see how like happy I was and how excited I was for Paris and everything. And obviously this stuff happened with my phone. Where's my new phone? I bought the same phone, same case, so it looks like I didn't get my phone stolen, but I did, but I just replaced it. Honestly, like looking back at this whole travel video, like it really makes me miss Paris, and since a lot has changed in my life, I definitely want to continue to travel and create content. I had so much, like such an amazing time. So quick too. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. It should be a room tour and the life update. Alright, take care. Bye.